All right, we got the Rev 600 all done here, all finished. We just buttoned everything up for realsies today. Got the clutch all aligned, you know, the little stuff, just little stuff that matters. Clutch all aligned, so you're not burning belts. I got new carbides on order because these ones are shot. Lifted up to do that, but I'll do that when they come, no big deal. Put the windshield on here. It's a little sleeker of a look with those wings chopped off that usually hang out here. It's a little more sleek. I like it. Makes it look faster versus just don't picture this big honk of the windshield here, but it still has that big wing, but doesn't have it on these. Nice and smooth. Probably gain at least another 20 or 30 miles per hour off that alone. So did a front end adjustment on it. I had to put a new tie rod on it because the one was bent and it wouldn't adjust, so it needed a new one. Got that on there and all adjusted. I did a lot of stuff to this sled, actually. A lot of stuff. The whole bulkhead deal, it was bent. Welded a section up on it that was broken, bent. Then we got new ball joints. You know, we'll have new carbides. We'll have Skeeter, what are you doing? Had to buy this hood. Got this windshield off at 800 I'm selling. But yeah, that's about it. I'll start it up for you in a little bit. Owen's supposed to be out and he's interested in buying it, so I'll start it up for him then and you can hear it running. But what I really wanted to show you was we're gonna be getting to the IQR today, baby. It's time now that I got that thing all done. Nice to have done. That's my sister's sled. Getting that all around because we go on a trip every year. We'll try to every year. But yeah, tear into this baby. Because it's leaking coolant, as we talked about earlier. Or in the previous video. Somebody's definitely had some engine work done. You can see they used fucking, I can't believe that. I hate this shit. The RTV. It just was shit, dude. So yeah, we'll tear into her. Should be a good time. We'll record some of it. Try to anyway. See if we can't get this thing running tip top. Skeeter thinks we can. Don't you, Skeeter? Yeah? He don't give a fuck. He doesn't know what I'm talking about. Why are you just staring at me? What's up? You wanna go snowmobiling? Yeah, he does. He likes snowmobiling. Watch this. Oh. We'll hang out right up on top of here. Sometimes we'll put his paws right up on the handlebars. Actually, I took him for a ride last year a few times on my other sled. But yeah, I'll post you guys up here and we'll get a video of me tearing it down, and we'll try to get a glimpse of me building the engine over here on my workbench too. It's halfway a mess, but it's clean enough. So we'll post you up. I don't think this thing's ever been rebuilt before. It seemed the head, it looks like it was off, but This pipe is rusted on. And it's a stock pipe. I finally let it sit with some penetrating oil. And it finally freed up. Oh boy. Oh boy. You got another fucking spring on here? We have to. Some bitch. Where's it at? Just needs to get separated, dude. Gotta separate. This ain't good. This ain't good. It's stuck. Oh, there it went. There it went. We're out. Try to show you guys the it's freaking rusted in here and there. It wouldn't come off, so I had to take the freaking thing off as one. Shit. Man, that thing's freaking dirty. Ew. I feel like I need a bath now. Well, this is full of oil, which isn't good. That really isn't good. And what's full of oil? My pipe has got a shitload of oil in there, which isn't good. I'm not entirely sure what that entails or what causes that, but I know it ain't good. I hope I don't need a fucking crankshaft, because it's usually what it is on Skidoos anyway. Son of a bitch. We'll see. All right, I'm pulling it off. I've got the hoses off, the bolts out. Not blown up yet. See what we got going on. Got a light for you guys. Why would they use a freaking that for a head gasket? They're freaking idiots, dude. We got crosshatch. We got crosshatch. We got pretty good crosshatch. Not too much carbon. Not too much carbon inside. I pulled one of the exhaust valves out, freaking a ton of oil. This thing must be like a pool. I pulled the hoses off and there's barely any coolant in there, and there's like a gallon just sitting in the bottom. But yeah, we got some dirty exhaust valves, that's for sure. So we're gonna work on getting the cylinders off, and then I'll probably show you guys what else. And burp this, it's gonna about to come everywhere. Oh, I can't get it off, jeez. Oh, there it goes. So, yeah, I'll get that off and I'll show you guys what else it looks like. All right, we got the cylinders off here. If you can see down in there, you get a little bit of wear. Not bad. Not bad though. Can't feel nothing. Everything looks smooth, no gouges, no chunks gone. A little bit of scoring, but that's fine. That's not bad. So the cylinders are definitely reusable. Might hone them up for a sec, might not. We'll see what happens. Look at the pistons here. They don't look awful. They got piston wash. If you can see this part up on top of here, how it's kind of washed like, and it's not consistent like this side. This side's like it too, but not as bad. Means your rings are starting to go bad, and it's washing on the intake side because of the gas and everything starts to wash it. Washes all the carbon off, which the exhaust, it just burns it off, so it's not really gonna fall off like the gas hits it. But that's what that is. So it's definitely burning. They don't look bad though, not at all. So really impressed that this hasn't been apart. Really glad. It's gonna save me a lot of headaches. So this thing's not been molested. So what I'll do, I'll just I'll order some new pistons, gaskets. We'll see what they got for pistons. Might bump it up a compression. I'll have to check them out, see what they got. Do that, gaskets, thermostat. It doesn't have a thermostat. I will probably throw a water pump in it, just because, you know, it's going on 10 years old. So it's a 14, so 24 would be 10 years old. So yeah, I'll throw a water pump in it. We'll do chain case. I'm gonna leave the clutching for now. I'm sure it's probably fine for at least a winter. It engaged fine, sounded fine, so we'll leave that. Do the intake. We'll clean these up, clean the intake on it. We might do a new filter. We'll see what it entails. Not sure yet, but yeah, that's what we'll do. Clean the carbs on it. I'm gonna do that. They were probably needing it. Clean the carbs on it. Gonna do fresh coolant. Pretty much a full service on it. You know, make sure it's ready for the winter. I just got it, so we'll see how it turns out. Should be a pretty fun build.